Hi guys, so today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a long time. I'm going to apply some gel polish. Now, if you know, I've been an ambassador with my old channel with lots of different companies. I'll focus on this one today, but it was hard to keep the schedule I was keeping and do gel polish because it's more of a long-lasting thing, right? You want 7 to 10 days, some wear 21 days, and you know, when you're doing a channel and I had videos, had videos on Sundays and Wednesdays, it's hard to keep up that pace with gel polish on. So I just thought about it. My husband the other day saw my nails. He's like, "Oh, your nail game isn't very strong right now," and I'm like, "What?" So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna do some gel polish. And then my neighbor asked if I would do her daughter's nails and in gel, so I was like, you know what, today's a great day to do a set on myself, so I can get more familiar with it again, and then do their daughters. So I picked WAVEgel because it's a 30-second cure. I have their lamp, because you don't have to use their lamp, but it's always, for me, it's better to use the same company's lamp of the gel polish that you're using, but I do have their lamp that they had sent to me, so I do appreciate that. I have tons of colors. They're not all here, but I went to my garage and from the move, I'm like, where is all my stuff? And I found this tub of beautiful things that I just love, and I have some more upstairs in my room. So I do still have their swatches, which are amazing. They have obviously tons more colors now. It's just a really great company. So I still have my discount code with them, VIAC10. It'll be in the description box so you can buy their products through Rush Hour Beauty. They're $10, you guys. The mood changing, I believe the mood changing polishes are $10. The color, where they change color with hot or cold environments or liquid, if you're like washing dishes and things like that. Are $10, but I believe their gel polish, the matching duos, are $9 or $10. I don't know. I don't recall right now, but it comes with a regular nail polish and your gel polish. And you might say, why would you do a regular gel polish, a regular polish? Well, a lot of times people like to use the regular polish on their toes because pedicures last forever, even if it's just regular polish. And then you use the gel polish on your nails, or you can gel polish your toes and your nails, whatever. But it's a great set, and they're super inexpensive, and with my code you get 10% off and free shipping always. So make sure to check that out. So I'm gonna grab my top gel, my base coat, choose some colors, get all my supplies together, which are going to be maybe some napkins, obviously some lint-free wipes, probably some alcohol just to clean off my nails, a nail file because my nails are kind of a round shape right now. I kind of want them more pointy just to be a little more cool, so I'm gonna make them a little pointier. I've already filed the top of my nails because I was kind of gonna just polish my nails regular, so I like to just push back my cuticles, which I've already done just with a cuticle pusher, and then I file the top, kind of buff it, so I already did that, so that's why they're not super shiny. So I'm just gonna shape them a little bit. Again, all those lint-free wipes, alcohol or a gel cleanser if you have that. I'll grab my lamp, grab some color, my top and base coat, and if I recall, that's about it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so like I said, I have my supplies, lots of wipes. I have a little gel cleanser just because it was there, but you can just, that's very little left. You can just use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, something like that. I have my base gel and my top gel. This does have a tacky dispersion layer, so you are gonna have to clean it afterwards. But WAVEgel does have a non-stick top coat that you can also purchase. I think it comes with their chrome cat eye polishes, but you can pick that up. And then I'm going to use these two colors because I love Nudie Selfie. It's such a pretty color, nice, gorgeous, kind of beige, so why not go with something classic, a little mauve-y. And then this one is called Now It's a Party, and it is a glitter polish. You can probably see it better in the polish itself, maybe, maybe. But I think I'm going to do that as an accent nail, just like on my index finger, or what's it called? Index finger? I don't know. Anyway, my ring finger, but I have those two ready to go. I'm going to give them a little bit of a shake because I have not used these in a while. So you want to make sure everything's nicely, dispersed through that. And then I already shaped pretty much all my nails here, but I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This is an old nail file, of course, for my friend coming over later with her daughters. I will be using a fresh file. And for this kind of almond shape or whatever, I'm just really coming in at an angle to the side here. Again, my nails were kind of rounded, so I'm not doing this from square. And then just when I get to the tip, I'm just kind of finishing that off. Not super sharp. And it's so hard to do this sometimes, especially sorry, my head's facing down, to make them all look about the same, because you'll have some that are more pointy and some that are a little rounder, especially when your nails weren't the same length to begin with. So like this middle finger, I had broken it not too long ago, so it is struggling a little bit. Just trying to get the rest of that nail gone there. So I'll do one hand then the other. And with this lamp you can put your whole hand in, so that's handy. So I'm gonna just clean off my nails, get all that dust off, and get them ready. I do have my windows open and I have a full garden going right now, and you can probably hear the birds. They love it at my house, which is really nice. Okay, so base gel. Like I said, I always put on super thin, so we're just gonna really wipe that head off there. And try to apply as thin as you can, always all the way to the very edge of the nails. Capping the tip, especially when your nails are in a pointy shape. You really want to get that capped off at the ends there. And there's usually plenty on here that it'll allow you to do your whole hand with what's on the brush. That's how thinly you want to apply it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that to all the nails. I'm going to clean up around the edges, anything that might just be touching my fingers here. And then I'm going to get that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'll be right back. I just want to show you, bring the lamp over, you just put your hand inside. And it's already set. You can either let it count up to 30 or you can let it count down to 30, but at this angle I just put it in. I'm just going to let that happen. I'll do my thumbnail separate because of the way I put it this way, but when I do it off camera I'll have it facing me. I can stick my whole hand in. So you have a 10-second, a 30-second, and I believe a 90-second, and then just I think 2 minutes if you just let it go. So I'll wait till it says 30 and I'll take my hand out and I'll put my thumb in. So we can just wait. Okay. And if I put my thumb in, I'm just going to hold it here. And I can just wait. But if you wanted to press 30, let's say I just press 30 and it'll count down from 30. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have my Color Nudie Selfie open here, and I'll open up our confetti. And I'm just going to do 2 or 3 coats of each one, depending on how much I need to build up for this to work. Again, you always do thin coats. So this one's obviously a clear coat other than the glitter, so you know. But you still want to build it up thinly because you want it to cure nicely. So there's 1 coat of that. And then again, I'll clean this off really well. We'll do 1 coat of our color. And I'll put it back in the lamp for 30 to 40 seconds. Again, you always want to make sure you really cap the tip of your nail. So I'll do the whole hand, place it in there, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm probably going to do 3 coats, so it's going to be the same thing. I'm just going to build up the color, put it in my lamp for 30 to 40 seconds, always making sure to clean up the excess that might get on my skin. And when I come back, I'll have 3 coats of color on, okay? So again, thin coats, 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds between each coat. And when I come back, we'll do our top. Okay, I think I'm happy. I'm all done. There are 3 coats. I probably won't go for 4 because it'll be very thick. So now I have my top gel. I mean, the color's opaque. I was just talking about the glitter coat, really. Again, wipe it very clean. The top coat is especially thin, so you want to really control that, which is really nice, the thinness of it. So you just top your nail. Again, remove any excess that might be on your skin, which I can see I didn't do the best job of that early on. But do your best and then put it into your lamp 30 to 40 seconds. If you were using a UV lamp this whole time, you're going to be curing for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So in LED it's 30 to 40 seconds, UV 2 to 3 minutes. So still quick, but you know, not as quick as if you're using that good LED. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, all done. So if you were to touch it, it would feel sticky because this is the original top coat and it does have a dispersion layer. So I'm going to use my gel cleanser. Again, you can use alcohol or 99%, you know, whatever alcohol you have, and just rub that top off. And it'll stay shiny and nice because all you're doing is getting rid of that little stickiness that comes off once you're cured from the reaction, from the curing time process. And that is it, you guys. I have not done my nails in so long. Oh my gosh, the wind is totally blowing. I can touch my lace curtain because it's blowing all the way over here. But that is it. I'm really happy with the results. I love WAVEgel. You guys know that from back in the day. Like, I've been working with them for a couple years. I haven't even spoken with them in a few months, really, since the move. And they've been just a really great company, really sweet, really nice. Just good people, and I'm telling you, they have the best product. I mean, I've worked with lots of different gel polishes and people, sending them over for my review or just to be an ambassador for the company, but WAVEgel really does have my heart. They have such fun things. The color changing really works. Great price, great customer service, so can't beat it. So I'll have, again, the link there and the discount code for you guys, and I really encourage you to try them out if you like gel polish. I'm telling you, it's just good stuff. So pictures for you, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.